Ready to turn your digital creations into a revenue stream with a platform that's as easy to use as your favorite social media app. Let's dive into how to use StanStore to sell your digital products, turning your passion into profit. Step by glorious step first. Head over to StanStore and sign up for an account. The interface is incredibly user-friendly, designed for creators of all levels. Next, connect your social media accounts. This is crucial for driving traffic to your StanStore. Stan makes it super easy to link your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more, allowing you to seamlessly guide your followers to your digital products. Now for the fun part, adding your digital product. Click on the Add Product button and choose Digital Download. Upload your file. Write a killer product description highlighting the value your product offers. And set your price. Product. Use enticing visuals and clear benefits in your description to grab attention. Let's personalize your store. StanStore allows you to customize your storefront to match your brand aesthetic. Change colors, fonts, and add your logo to create a cohesive and professional look that represents you. Engage with your customers using StanStore's built-in email marketing tools. Collect email addresses, send out newsletters, and promote new products directly to your audience, fostering a loyal customer base. Track your success with StanStore's analytics dashboard. Monitor your sales, traffic sources, and customer behavior to optimize your store and marketing efforts. This data is gold for understanding what's working and what needs tweaking. And there you have it, a quick guide to selling digital products with StanStore. Now go forth, create amazing products, and build a thriving online business. Don't forget to experiment and see what works best for you.